2022 Kcse Mathematics Paper 1, number 9. We are told a port L is 120 kilometers on a bearing of south 30 degrees to the west from port K. A ship left port K at 10:00 hours and sailed at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour along the bearing of from south 60 degrees to the east. Using a scale drawing, determine the bearing of the ship from port L at 1400 hours, and you get 4 marks. So when you are doing a scale drawing, you need to make a sketch that is going to guide you on how to make the actual drawing. So we can start by making a compass there. So that's our north. So K is, so we say this is port K. L is 120, bearing of 30 from south to west. We have 30 degrees. So this angle here is 30. So we say that is port. This is we can say again. This is our L. The ship left K at 10. So how many hours from 10:00 to that is to 14? So 11, 12, 13, 14, 4 hours. So it means distance is equals to speed times time. So we have 40 multiplied by 4. It had covered 160 kilometers on a bearing. So from south to east, we are going to measure. This is south to the east. Then we are going to draw. That is. Now we come to scale. Let 1 centimeter represent 20 kilometers. So here we are going to draw 6 centimeter to L, and here we are going to get 8 centimeter. So to get the compass, the bearing of L to where the ship is, this is a ship. So we draw a line here to join there. So that is what. So then we measure this angle. So that's a sketch. Now we make the actual drawing. What instrument do you need? You need a ruler. So you get a ruler. You also need a protractor. So we start with the ruler, and we draw that is a horizontal line. From there, bring a ruler here. I can make it a bit shorter. Take your protractor. Can make a mark there where we are going to place the protractor. Put it there. Make a mark at 90. Now those two points should help you get a vertical line. So we can now come here and draw our vertical line roughly there. So we draw. That is our compass. From there, we need to get the L. So from south, we come here, and we can put our compass here. We want to measure an angle from that is we want to measure an angle of I hope there it is okay. Okay, so we use there. So if this angle here is 30, it means this angle here is 60. This angle is 60, so we can measure an angle of 60. From there, we use that. So we come and say around 60, you get our angle there. From there, using a ruler, we draw that line. So we draw that line. So that's roughly there, and we draw our line. So that's our line, and we are saying our scale is 1 centimeter represent 20 kilometers. So we measure around this is 6 centimeters. So that's where we have our K. This is we are talking of point L. Now we get where the ship is from south to east. So we again take our protractor and we use our protractor to draw the angle. So this is that, so that roughly where we will need our protractor. And now we are measuring from here, this angle here. We are told that from south to east, this angle is 60. So we measure an angle of 60. I think it's already there. So we just make a mark there, and we again use your ruler to be able to draw that line. I'll put it roughly there, and then we draw a line. And that line is 8 centimeters. So we can be able to get our centimeter there. So what we need now again is we get our compass at L, so that we can be able to do that. I'm going to use this ruler, this line here, to help me draw a vertical line here. So, but you can now you can drop this line. You can drop this line. Maybe this is how you can do it. You can come here, and if you set that line like that, and then so your ruler is there, then you should be able to draw a line there. We can use maybe a different color to help us not mix. Once you draw a line there, then you can be able now to use your protractor and be able to draw. Use that point there, and we will be able to draw to get a point there. Once you get that, then you should be able to get another horizontal line. So you come and get your ruler there. You come and use that point and get. Hope you'll be able to get about a good line there. Let's use our color now. We draw that. From there, you can again make it easier. You use the line that we had already plotted there. So you can come here, and I don't know whether that is going to help us. So you set your ruler there, make a line here, and you can use that line to draw a vertical line here. So we take our protractor there, and we use that. We can use this line here and be able to get our vertical line. So that is where we have 90. From there, we can now take our ruler and get our point, get our line. This is a point that we have drawn, and we use that point to draw. We can draw. Let's set it properly. We use that to draw our compass. So that is our L. Then from there we need to join now our line from where we have the ship and we extend that. We need to draw that line. Then we join. Not like that. That's where the shape is. So we now like I think that's not good enough. Let's try another one. So we now have like that. I think this is better. Now following, so this is where we have the shape. So this is 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. This angle here is 30, and this angle here is 60. So if you do it correctly, then this is a bearing. So you measure that angle. When you measure that angle, you find that it is 0.83 degrees, or you can say from north you measure 83 degrees to the east. So that's the bearing if you do it correctly. And that is a procedure that you follow to do that, and you'll be able to get the 4 marks. So that's how you do that.